Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty and wellness. Today we're talking about something that's become a game changer for those of us battling hair thinning or hair loss, the Capillus Ultra Mobile Laser Therapy Cap. This FDA-cleared device promises to stimulate hair regrowth with low-level laser therapy, or LLLT. It's a non-invasive, clinically proven method, and what sets it apart is that it uses 82 red light lasers for deeper follicle penetration, more effective than LED devices. Let's break it down and see if this cap lives up to the hype. The Capillus Ultra is designed to be used for just 6 minutes a day, which is really a breeze to incorporate into any routine, especially when life gets busy. It's lightweight, comfortable, and discreet enough to wear under a hat or cap. You can literally wear it while working, watching TV, or even while exercising. The convenience factor here is huge. There's no need to adjust your lifestyle. Just wear it for a few minutes each day, and you're good to go. Now let's get into the specifics. The Capillus Ultra uses 82 medical-grade laser diodes covering the full scalp to treat thinning or patchy areas. This even distribution is key for maximizing regrowth, and it really does target the follicles more effectively than traditional LED devices. The app that pairs with the cap is another great feature, allowing you to track your progress and even set reminders for your sessions. This level of tracking is motivating, and it helps keep you on course as you see improvements over time. As for real-world use, I found it to be super simple to integrate into my routine. The cap's lightweight design made it comfortable to wear, and the automatic timer takes the guesswork out of the treatment. I could easily wear it while working on other tasks, making it feel like a part of my day instead of a burden. That's a huge plus in terms of usability. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are the pros and cons? On the plus side, the Capillus Ultra does exactly what it promises. It's an effective and easy-to-use hair regrowth treatment. The laser technology is top-notch, providing deep follicle stimulation, and the cap's discreet design is a win for daily use. The app is an extra touch that keeps you engaged and on track with your progress. On the flip side, the price tag is definitely on the higher end. While the technology is impressive and the product is FDA-cleared, you'll need to weigh if the cost aligns with your budget and hair regrowth goals. Additionally, while it's effective, it does take time to see visible results, typically 3 to 6 months, and full results may take up to a year. If you're looking for immediate results, this might not be the best option for you. When considering value for money, it's important to think about the long-term benefits. The Capillus Ultra provides a clinically proven solution to hair thinning, and for those who are serious about improving hair density, the investment can be worth it. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are some more affordable devices out there that offer similar benefits. Just be aware that they might not have the same advanced technology or full scalp coverage. In terms of build quality, the Capillus Ultra is solid. The materials feel premium, and the rechargeable battery adds a nice level of convenience. The cap is built for regular use, and while it may seem like an investment up front, its durability and rechargeable nature make it a long-term solution. The customer support from Capillus is well regarded, and they've got a reputation for being responsive and helpful. If you ever run into issues with the device or have questions about usage, their team is known to provide solid assistance. As for product alternatives, there are a few out there in a similar price range. The iRestore Laser Hair Growth System is one competitor, though it typically uses fewer lasers and is a bit bulkier. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are LED devices like Hair Max that offer similar results but might take a bit longer. To wrap it up, the Capillus Ultra is a top-tier option for anyone looking to treat hair thinning with a clinically proven method. It's effective, discreet, and easy to use. However, its high price might not be justified for everyone, especially if you're just starting to explore hair regrowth treatments. For those who are committed to seeing long-term results and can afford the investment, this cap could be a game changer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried the Capillus Ultra or any other hair regrowth device, Drop a comment below and share your experiences. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.